Going from synchronous teaching in a classroom to asynchronous online teaching can be a bit of a challenge for those of us who have spent a lifetime in front of a group of students. We may not have used technologies like cameras as part of our teaching practice. Using a single 45-minute continuous shot has certain problems. It can get very monotonous, and it can require repeated takes if you make a mistake. So here's a tip. So why not break up your lecture into discrete shots that reflect the individual ideas that you want to cover? So perhaps 3 to 7 minute continuous shots per idea. You can place your camera or your computer in different spaces relative to yourself, or even go into an entirely different place. If you make a mistake, you can more easily re-record a shorter segment, and this will minimize any editing if you want to avoid that. By visually differentiating the presentation of each of your ideas, you can help your class refocus and better follow the structure of your lecture.